Design part joint cabinet. To create a cabinet, we are going and press the button New Assembly. We'll select a rectangular shape of the cabinet, and we press Enter or right click of the mouse. The menu or with the size of the cabinet popping up here. It's not necessary to change the size of the cabinet from the very beginning, so we'll click Yes. We can see rectangular shape. We'll click where we want to position cabinet, and we'll specify with the mouse how we're gonna have it, which direction we're gonna have it. So we'll click and we'll see rectangular shape of our assembly. So we'll start building bar joint cabinet using the cabinet by 3 points. So the part by 3 points. Sorry. So we'll select this button and we will start creating back. We have to click on the line and software will automatically reference to the corner here. We'll click on the line close to the next corner, and software will find this point. And we'll click on the line close to opposite corner. Now we can see we've got specified 3 points, and after software offer us to change the points or press enter if you are happy, or you can press right click of the button of the mouse, right button of the mouse. So we can see software offer us to extrude our part this way. So we can press enter to confirm. If you're not happy, we can press a space bar to change how our part will be located. So we will extrude this part inside of the wireframe. So we've got at the moment our back design or our back build. So next one, what we're gonna do, we're gonna build the bottom. So we'll click again. Now we need to select an internal line of the back. So we need to select internal line. Now we are referencing to the part already, not to assembly. We are referencing to the part. So we select another point and we will select now a line of assembly. We are happy, we press right button of the mouse, and to change direction of the part we need to press a space bar to change direction, and we will confirm pressing enter or right click. So now we've got our bottom. We will build in the same way vertical. We'll select a line on the back. Now we need to select a line on the bottom because we need to reference to the bottom. So we select a line on the bottom. You can see software select this point. Okay, and we select another line on the bottom to specify the second size of the part. So again, we are changing direction using a space bar on the keyboard, and we press enter or right click. So now you've got this part. So we can use this function to build another vertical, but we can copy existing vertical part. So we can select copy, and we can copy this part. So we create this new part. So we need to relocate this part because we want to have this part exactly in the position. There is an operation called reference. You'll click on this reference to coordinate system of the object. So you will select a line, and our software will hook to or reference to the corner. We will select a second line of the back, and we'll select a line on the part. We'll select a line of the back. Software will specify the point on the back, and now we will press this button that will put all figures 0, all x, y, z position 0. We'll click yes, and now part is sitting in a position. So at the moment we need to build a stretcher. So we select one line, we select another line, we select one more line. So at the moment we can specify which way we want to have this part. And now we got this part. This part at the moment build as the full top. we will go to operation parameters. We'll click on the top and we can change one of the parameters of our part. So X, this is blue line and one error, and Y, it's a red line, two errors. So we want to have in Y direction our part 80 mil. So now we build a structure of the cabinet. We have to go and put screws. So we are going to this menu, it's presets. For the screws, we will select screws. We will select 3 screws 50 mil apart. We can change that after. We select age of the part we want to put screws on, and we confirm pressing enter or right click. So now we've got these screws here, and we're gonna go the same way, or we can copy hardware. So to copy the hardware, we press copy button. We select a screw. We select an age of the part, and we confirm that we are happy with that. We select another age of the part, and we press right click or enter. We select another age of the part, we press right click or enter. We select this part, we press right click or enter. We want to have this on that part, and we put it here. We're gonna have this part, and we'll put it here. At the end, we have to press another time enter or right click to confirm that we finish operation. So you can see we put all screws. Because this preset has 3 screws, we can edit this. So we can go operation parameters, and we will select the screws, and we can delete this record, and we'll have just 2 screws here. We can adjust, of course, a distance in between screws, but anyway, at the moment you got this position. So we're gonna put an aging. So this is an aging. We'll select a seeing aging. This is 1 mil aging. So we'll select and this function, and we'll choose an age. We'll keep selecting all ages we want to age. At the end, we will press enter or right click button. So this is we've got the cabinet aged all the way on a face. All parts are aged. Now we will build a shelf. So we've got a shelf. So this is a shelf. So we'll select a shelf, and we will start reading on the bottom what software is after. We will click on the one part, on another part. Software asks us happy, press enter to confirm, right click or enter, and now we've got a lot of questions here. So the software is asking us, we can put as a distance, we can put one part or one shelf centered, 2, 3, 4. If you want to have this record, this line as a menu, you can press a space bar and you'll have it as a menu. So we want to have one part centered, and the software is asking us where you want to have it. So we need to specify 2 points where we're gonna locate that. So we specify the first point here, and we specify the second point here, and we press enter or right click, and we got our shelf. So you got this shelf. We're gonna age it as well, and now we're gonna put some shelf supports. So we've got and select the shelf supports here, and we can as well copy, select a shelf support, select another age, and confirm that we are happy with the position, and press right click again. So at the end we do double right click. So right click one time and right click another time. So this is a bar joint cabinet. So we will put 2 doors. We'll select door, and we'll go 2 doors. So we can change the parameters, our gaps. We'll click OK. We'll select left, right, top, bottom, or bottom, top, doesn't matter. So, and now we've got 2 doors. We have to put our hinges. So we'll click on presets. We'll select the hinges, clip, and we'll select record with a clip hinge. So we'll select an edge of the door, so this line, you'll select edge of the door, and you will confirm pressing enter or right click. So we've got these two hinges set up. We will copy these two hinges. We will select this edge of the door. Software automatically will find the second part. We'll press enter or right click and enter and right click again. So now we've got our cabinet with hinges. Now we can adjust the size of the cabinet. So we will select blue YZ. We'll click on the cabinet. We'll go and we'll change the length. So let's say our cabinet should be 800 mil. The height of our cabinet should be 600 mil. And you can see the cabinet change parametrically and automatically change all parts. So now we need to save this cabinet in the library. If you want to, you can add fit, but you can see in a previous video how to add a fit. So to save this cabinet in the library, you click database, so save model as, select the cabinet itself, select this is the typical model, click OK, select a part of the library or whatever where you want to have it, click add new model, and we'll select but join cabinet. So that will be but join cabinet. Please pay attention, the code should have addend .00 .000. This is the rule. Click OK, click OK, click OK, OK. So you got your cabinet saved in the library. So to be sure that it's saved, you can close model database tree, and we'll go to service and click model database tree. We'll go to typical models, kitchens, demo, and you can see this is the cabinet we just designed and saved.